Nikon D5300 review. Why this mid-range DSLR still shocks photographers today. Ever felt like your photos just don't capture what your eyes see? You press the shutter, check the screen, and feel let down. Colors muted, details lost, memories flattened. It's frustrating, right? Drop a comment if you've experienced this too. Sometimes it feels like your camera is holding you back instead of unlocking your creativity, and that's the real struggle. Photography burnout is real. Missed shots, shaky images, stressful settings. You try harder, but instead of joy, it feels like pressure piling on. Stress from complex controls, blurry action shots, and low-light disasters stack up fast. Imagine if there was a way to break through that frustration, to take control of your craft without adding confusion or losing focus on the fun. Meet the Nikon D5300, the DSLR that redefined mid-range photography. With its 24.2 megapixel DX-format CMOS sensor stripped of an optical low-pass filter, it captures sharper, cleaner detail than most cameras in its class. Paired with the EXPEED 4 processor, it handles vibrant colors, smooth tones, and clean high ISO performance like a dream. The included 18 to 55 mm VR lens is perfect for everyday use: groceries, travel, sports, or portraits, thanks to vibration reduction that keeps handheld shots crisp. The 39-point autofocus system with 3D tracking nails moving subjects, while the 5-frame per second continuous burst ensures you don't miss the action. Want cinematic video? Full HD 1080 at 60p with stereo sound and external mic support delivers smooth, immersive footage. Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing instant, while GPS geotags your adventures automatically. And that 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD? It flips, tilts, and rotates so you can compose from impossible angles or record yourself hands-free. One traveler said it turned vacations into visual journals. Keep watching for a hidden trick inside this camera that makes daily shooting even more addictive. The D5300 isn't just about specs. It's about unlocking confidence behind the lens. Imagine walking into a dim cafe, snapping a shot, and getting clean, vibrant detail without endless tweaking. An industry analyst once noted, its image quality rivals some full-frame cameras, astonishing at this price point. Influencers rave about the flip-out LCD, calling it a game-changer for vlogging and creative compositions. Users constantly share how the built-in Wi-Fi made photography social again, turning moments into instant posts without dragging a laptop along. Experts highlight the 39-point AF system, saying it changes the game for action, pets, and kids. Everything suddenly looks sharp. One beginner laughed. I upgraded, and suddenly my friends thought I hired a photographer. Even pros acknowledge its dynamic range and flexibility in post-processing, making raw files a joy to edit. And here's the kicker. The D5300 balances fun and professional control in one package. It doesn't overwhelm but grows with you, guiding beginners while satisfying enthusiasts. Thousands can't stop talking about how it erased the frustration of flat, uninspired images. Which feature speaks to you more? Wi-Fi freedom, sharp detail, or cinematic video? Comment below. I'm curious where your creativity craves more. The choice is in your hands. Don't wait while others are already shooting sharper, brighter, more shareable images. Thousands have upgraded with the Nikon D5300 and unlocked a new level of creativity. This isn't just a camera, it's a gateway to making every photo feel alive. Click now to secure yours. And here's a secret. There's a built-in feature waiting to surprise you. One that makes capturing magic far easier than you think. Don't just watch. Step up and transform your photography today.